how to create a Facebook story with the GIF. In order to do that, click right here on this add to story option and then just locate for the picture or video that you want to post on your story. So I have in here this. So what you can do in order to add a GIF is to click on the stickers option. And then after that, you should be able to see in here a lot of stickers. So this stickers right here will actually be recognized as a GIF. So alternatively, you can also click on this GIF option and then locate for a specific GIF. So for example, for this one, let's head over and then search in here for fire. Once you have searched for that, you should be able to see in here and the GIFs related to this one. So for some cases, it may take some while to actually load. So you can just refresh this particular one. So just search for GIF right here. And then after that, you should be able to use any GIF that you want or available for this particular GIF. So from in there, just add it right here and then just position it wherever you want it added. Click on share option in order to post it. So that's how you create a basic story with a GIF. Hope we helped.